Hello, everybody. This is Leebles, and welcome back to Space Engineers Lazy Engineering Series. This is episode 11. So, let's go ahead and get started. So today we're gonna be doing a few things. It's time to start getting this to-do list to be to done list. Um, in that vein, I have decided that we're gonna be doing two projects today. We're going to start working on the ship. We're going to add a shield to it, and probably add in reactors. And then we're going to start building the power plant. Power plant is going to be a few episodes long. Um, we're actually going to be starting in the basement and kind of working our way up. So that being said, let me grab some steel plates. I need steel plates. I have steel plates. Okay, good. We're good to go. We need to go upstairs. Alright, cool. So we're gonna go up to the ship. And we're gonna do a few things. Let's go ahead and grab our primary bar. We still need to like hook this thing up so that we can actually dock it. But we also need to figure out how to actually get up here. Yeah. So anyway, let's go ahead and fly on up here. Let's go to engineering. All right, cool. So engineering. We're gonna keep these. I think what we can do, honestly, reactor. Let's see here. Small warfare reactor might be good. Will it fit is the question. It will. It'll fit in a one block space. Okay, cool. So, what I'm thinking about doing is kind of just getting rid of this console since we don't really need it. I don't know what's on the other side of this block. I'm being perfectly honest. And I don't know. Nothing. Okay, so that's good. We can go ahead and put our reactor here. It's on the bottom and on the back. Do we have it's an automated timer block, huh? You're there, you're there. So that's the outside of the ship. And that is the outside of the ship. Okay, so the question is, your floor, where is, we know we got, it's a refill station. Interior wall, you're just a railing. So maybe let's get rid of you. Okay. Go G. Here. Just go conveyor. Just grab a regular conveyor. Place it the right way. Build and repair will take care of it because why won't it? Okay. that. And let's see. Pipe that one in. Alright. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay. Now I could delete that Topher light. I don't know what's up here though. Doesn't look like anything. So we might be able to actually delete that light. We might be able to kill that light. And put another reactor right there. Alright, let me go ahead and grab my paint gun. Skin. Let's go ahead and do, I'm thinking corrugated. Do I not have? No, I do. Why do you know working? There we go. That's better. Alright, so we got those guys. And now we have this timer block. Go to energy shields, maybe? Shield capacitor, shield flux. Let's see. Shield. Alright, so shield emitter, shield station emitter, compact emitter, shield enhancer, modulator, small shield generator. Those are energy shields. That's defense shields. Alright, let's see. Shield controller. We want the table, I think. Oh, I see. You're a big one. I need to put that on the outside then. probably be a really good place for it. It might fit here. 7. Okay, it is 2 blocks. So if we do that, it would probably fit there. I think we're going to do that. We're going to ditch these guys. And we're going to go ahead and put down the shield there. Just like that. We're missing a bunch of field emitters.
Health low.
Ow. Ow. I turned off dampeners. Because I'm an idiot. Alright, so for field emitters... There's shield components or shields? It's not listed on here. We had 95 EU shield components, we only had so many. So let's go ahead and check our production here. Production. Assembler 1. Let's see, field emitter. What are you short on? He's gonna be short on anything. Let's go check it out. Oh, on the top of the ship, though. Alright, you know. That's nice. Ow. So the airlock the cycle. And let's check. How many are we missing? We're still missing like 172. Okay. So let's go ahead and queue those up. A couple extra, it's fine. That should finish that up. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and put down a pause here because I need that to finish. Because I'm going to need a bunch of reactor components, which means I need gravel. In order to get gravel, I got to turn off my gravel sifters. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, we're back. This is built. Now the other thing that we need to do, come around to the back side. We'll go ahead and go up to our bridge. And I'm thinking, literally right there, we're going to put our shield controller. Shield controlling table. Boom. So we got that. Yeah, put it just like so. Good to go. Alright, now it'll control our shield. It's kind of funny, but sure. Works for me. I think that's about all we're going to do on the bridge for today. I don't mind. Let's go ahead and get that stuff out of here. Okay. So let's go ahead and head out. I'll go this way. I believe in the next episode, we're probably going to start working on redesigning this hangar to be not a hangar. But until then, one thing that we're definitely going to need to do is start working over here. So my thinking is I want to move these reactors down a level, and we're going to put in two levels. We're going to put in a level of magnesium reactors and then a level of uranium reactors, and then a deuterium fusion reactor, and then fusion or deuterium processing, and then in the basement we're going to have the stone being collected for deuterium. So let me go ahead and I'm going to put down another pause here real quick, because you got to have a think on this, on how I want to do this. I'm also building up some, while I was paused, I went ahead and turned off my gravel sifters to start collecting gravel. I don't want to tear these down until I have the new ones ready to go up. And then once I have the new ones placed and ready to go up, then I'll start tearing these down and we can just migrate them. So, yeah, that's where we're at right now. I shall return it. Alright guys, we are back, and I am out of hydrogen again. Wait a second. Oh, lordy. I use so much hydrogen. Come on. Hydrogen's full, okay. We can go ahead and put you back in there. Get you full. Awesome. Alright, these need what? Steel plates. Alright, so let me just grab like 100 steel plates. And we're gonna put in an elevator. Grab 100 steel plates, it's fine. Alright, so I mapped out the front wall of the base, or of the power station, and I have been busy finishing the basement walls, and the floors, dividing everything. So let's go to the bottom here. Boop. Okay. Right. So we need a elevator bottom, which is what? That's the rotor base. I don't need the rotor base. I need the elevator rotor. Okay. So let's go 4. So we need an elevator bottom, and then we need the rotor base. The thing is that they all have to be facing the right way. Okay, elevator rotor. And then we go to filler, which is which one? Filler is number 6. Okay. I don't know if it really matters which way, as long as they're all facing the right way. Filler. Filler. Okay. Let me up. Okay. Now here we need a middle, which is which one? 5. Boom. Okay. That's on number 6. And we go back to number 5. 6. And that's supposed to be number 5. Number 6. Number 5. Okay, number 6. Come on. Alright, number 6. Number 6. And we need a top, which should be number 8. Okay. we should be able to hit F or K. Okay, elevator top. Seems to be okay. Hopefully, maybe. Yep. Alright. I don't like that. So, let's go ahead and find elevator rotor. And we can actually turn the speed down a little bit. Down to 5. Elevator music, let's just go ahead and turn it off. Okay. Alright. Open her up. Go down to number 1. And it'll bring us down. Alright. Bring us down to the basement. Gotta put a block there. Just go to go 1. Go ahead and just throw a block down. Build and repair, take care of it. Alright, so this is where we're going to be putting our stone production for our, what you calls it? Deuterium. Just going to open this up. I want to go to number 5. So we're going to go up to 5. And this is where we're going to go ahead and put our magnesium reactors. So reactors are going to go on level 5. Uranium reactors are going to go on level 6. And then level 7. What's it? No. Hydrogen on 6. Magnesium on 5. Uranium on 4. Plasma on 3. The production facility on 2, and then obviously 1 is the stone mining. So, that being said, give me 1 second. Okay, so that being said, what I do want to do now is I want to set up the basic layout for our rooms, because what I want to do is I want a let me get a corridor here. A corridor. I don't need window corridors. I think I want the round, to be honest. That's the light. That's the regular. Okay. So, actually, I might need a regular corridor. Where are you? A corridor around. Corridor. Corner. Round door. Medical rooms. That'd be nice. Ramps. stairs. Let's see. Toilets. Ladders. Windows. Ladders. All these corridor sections. Honestly, just one thought. Regular corridors. Corner, intersection, exit. I have that one right. Very good. Corridor rounds. Do that. Oh, we have all kinds, so. Cargo access. That's just a conveyor. Single vent. Refill station. Might not be a bad idea. LCD panel. Yeah, maybe. Double LCD panel. That might be cool. You're gonna need interior plates for that, though. Alright, I don't have any interior plates with me, so that might be a problem. Okay, let's see. Let's go ahead and go back upstairs. You know what? I do need interior plates, so... Open. Where's the door? Okay. So one thing that I definitely want to do. I'm gonna grab some interior plates. I'm gonna grab like 100 of those. Okay. Should have remembered when I was dealing with doors and stuff. Interior walls, you know. Oh, thanks, interior plate. So, let's go ahead and hit F. Go back down to level 5. Okay. So, let's go ahead and grab number 5 again. Or wait, no, number 4, wasn't it? No, 5, 6. Okay. That's cargo access, actually. That might not be a bad idea. Let's go ahead and run that one. Alright. That being said, let's come over here. I need to pull you off.
Inventory full.
That's bad. Oh, Nikes. Dang it. Alright, conveyor. Conveyor. Alright, so I need these guys. And probably these guys. for right now. Alright, so number 5. It comes all the way down to where? Right, 1, 2, 3, 4. That goes into the floor. So that's not gonna work. Let's see. One, 2, 3. And then let's go ahead and do a regular conveyor junction. On here. Go down here. I want to do the same thing here. And honestly, let's go G. I know people don't like when people do this, but honestly, it's probably going to be the easiest way to do this. And we can just connect it like so. Oh, don't need that one.
Inventory full.
We need this one. Just a regular old conveyor pipe. Next. Let's go ahead and go F. Go down to the next floor. Do the same thing. Go ahead and go 4, 7. And I think that we're on 3. We're on 3. Let's go to 2. Okay. Go and get rid of this.
Inventory full.
Alright. Go 7. And we can just go ahead and drop down a conveyor pipe. Reconnect it. Cool? Cool. Alright. Go ahead and call the elevator back up to number 5. Alright, and we gotta hook up that. So I'm thinking the best way to do that. Let's go number 7. We need a one of you. Pipe. Pipe. Oh, you won't let me just place it. Okay. Let's see. Good. Conveyor junction might not be a bad idea here. Because I need to go that way anyway. Let's go ahead and just put a junction down. I don't want a T. I think I need that one. Okay. And then I can do this here. Flanged. corner. And then here, I can do flanged or not, whatever. And I think I want to do an end here, just to make it look kind of cool. There you go. Sweet! And that should give us cargo access. So, if I were to put this here, yep, see, put that there. Put all that stuff. And there you go. This should all get pulled out of there eventually. Possibly. Should do. Okay. Now, let's go ahead and grab number 6. Actually, I think I want number 5. I want the light. I want a corner, though. I want to bring it this way. 6. Do this. Let's just do lights almost all the way down. Might as well. There's a corner. I don't need a corner. Nope. Border light. Make sure it's nice and bright. And then, do I need that? Let's go to number 5, quarter. Don't need a ramp. Need a cargo access. Don't need a vent. Refill station? Yeah, I'm okay. Let's do an LCD panel. Well, we'll do the double LCD. Okay. And then, so I can get G, I want the round door. Let's see here. So that one. That's that one. That's the inverted one. That's just a door. With a window. Why would I want a window? They're all windowed. Alright, oh, that's just why they're windows. Alright, honestly, I think doing it that way will be okay. Alright, so then we can go ahead and close that up. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Okay, come out. You hit this. LCD panels here, and we come into this area here. Okay. With this, I think we're probably going to fill this in so we don't see all that. And let's go ahead and go G. Let's just grab some light armor block for now. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to make this room. Actually, I think we're going to go this big. Gives us enough room for center. Good. Let's go G. I don't want that door. Let's see, door. Let's go ahead and grab the center door. Go ahead and put you there. Go ahead and put you here. And let's go ahead and put this guy over here. Okay, 4. Alright. Now let's go ahead and go here. I want to delete this block here. This one, I want a refill station. The full block. Like so, and then we're going to go ahead and hook that up eventually. This block here, this block here, going to get replaced. Window. With these blocks. Yeah, I think we'll do that, and then 4. Actually, I think I want them the other way. So let's go ahead and do 4. It's definitely need to be on the inside. And then 5. There we go. Same thing on this wall. Because I want to be able to look out at the reactors, obviously. So number 4, number 5, okay. We're going to do the same thing here. I'm going to do the same thing on both walls. Now that we have the walls in, we know where the walls go. 5. Okay. 4, 5. Grind. 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 Okay, and then let's go 4. 4. 5. Nice. Tweet. Okay. So, just go ahead and go G. Command. And go console. Put this here. All right. So obviously we want this guy. Okay. And then we want this guy here. Guy here. We want this guy here. And I want this guy here. Right? So when we come in, this is the control room. Okay. Alright. I like it. I like it a lot. Alright, now one thing that I do want to do is figure out the roof. So let's go ahead and do these light armor blocks. And let's go with the trophy lights. Come on. Trophy light. I don't want to use the full block. I want to use the half block. Alright, so number 4. X. Let's see. That's not gonna work. Do I have... What do I have? You know what? I can do... Not that. And no. So, wrong angle. Not good. Yeah, those would need to be half blocks, wouldn't they? So what else do I got? You know, interior walls. What do we got? Interesting. wall block? Let's see here, we got inset wall, interior wall, interior wall. There are windows, catwalks, angled walls, cover wall, cover wall, cover wall, interior, diagonal, one inset, wall pillar, set wall light. See what you give me, let's see what you give me. That's a no bueno. You just don't want to cooperate. Alright. Well, I do know one thing. Come on. Where's my character stuff? Character tools. I need my paint gun. Let's turn this off. I want to paint this white. And I want the clean look. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Okay. As far as this goes, I wanted to keep the clean look, but we're gonna go ahead and color is dark gray, I think. I think that'll look pretty good. Right. And as far as this goes, let's go ahead and get the hazard. And we'll go ahead and grab bright yellow. Yeah, that kind of works. What do we get with this? Yeah, kind of like that. Looks pretty good. Yeah, like that. Alright, cool. And we got the concrete floor. Alright. Alright, I think we're going to go ahead and end it here today, guys. Actually, I'm not. Let me go ahead and grab the magnesium reactors here. I want the large ones. And we're going to go ahead and place those down. I need to eat something. Alright, so now we got the large reactors going.
Auto aim engaged.
The guys upstairs sound kind of mad. That's fine, because nobody cares. Alright, let's go ahead and put you there. You're not going to fit a second one. You go there. Okay. This room's a little bit bigger. I'm going to go ahead and put you here. Put you here. Turn around. Here. There. Actually.
Inventory full.
Nope. Too far. Me in front of the window. Let's see. 6. You here. Right? Right in front of this one. In front of the window. Good. And you go there. You can go there. There. Put you there. And we'll go ahead and put you out there. Because you ain't gonna fit. You know, a little bit dead space here, but that's fine. And we can put these guys back here. Put you up. Like so. And that's probably not gonna... Well, I didn't make enough room on top to run pipes. So that's fine. And then... over yonder. Do that. And I think we'll that's that more than enough. Okay? Okay. That should be more than enough. Alright, cool. I'm gonna look out and see the reactors. Come over here. Bring that up. We should be able to go upstairs. And we're here. Oh, Coley Duckley. I do need to put in a couple of programmable blocks, so that's always there. Oh, damn! What the hell? You hiding in my damn base. dick. Alright, well, whatever. Dead now. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and call it here, guys. We got quite a bit done. Next episode, we're gonna go ahead and cook out the next floor. And we're gonna finish up the control room on that floor. Pardon me. So we're gonna go ahead and fill up the control room. Probably gonna go ahead and tear these down. So we got the ones in the basement now. And I'm gonna start getting those hooked up. Because I want to be able to finish this building here too, so. Alright, I will see you guys in the next episode. So until then, bye-bye.